Hi, I'm Andrew Berman with the Mortgage News Network. We're here in Atlanta, Georgia at NAMB East. I got Brad Smith, who's the National Renovation Sales Director for Stonegate Mortgage. Brad, thank you for taking the time out of your day to meet with us.
Oh, it's a pleasure. I appreciate the opportunity to talk to you.
So listen, a lot of your career has been dedicated, to the mortgage broker and third-party originations. I know now as your current role, as National Renovation Sales Director, you're encompassing all channels. But I know deep down inside, you got a lot of love for the mortgage broker and third-party originations. Why is that? What do you love about the channel?
Well, it's true. I really kind of cut my teeth in the third-party origination channel. I love entrepreneurs. I love the ability for an individual to own their own company and compete at a very high level with large financial institutions, both depository and non-depository. So supporting the third-party origination channel with specialty products like what we provide in renovation lending is a real compliment to the passion that I have for third-party originators.
Great. So listen, why is it important specifically for Stonegate and companies like Stonegate to support NAMB and be at events like this?
Well, there's a couple of reasons that it's really important to be engaged and involved with NAMB. One is everybody has an opinion, but if you're not a member, you don't have a voice. And being a member of either a local trade organization or this national trade organization is extremely important for the direction and the steering that needs to take place to kind of swing the pendulum back and move some of the regulatory roadblocks that we have out from in front of us. If we don't support and we don't become members, that is an obstacle that becomes insurmountable. And then the education level. Again, the events like this, as the third-party originators are walking around and being introduced to new vendors and new lenders, it gives them an opportunity to expand their product base and become more competitive than even some retail bankers are. So
that's great, and put more borrowers in homes. That's all we're trying to do, right?
Exactly. Yeah, that's the core. That's what we're reaching for.
Very cool. So listen, as someone who's just been unbelievable in promoting renovation lending, do you have any advice for the originators out there that are finding a drop in production because they were doing a lot of refis? Can you share with us some ideas that an originator could do today to start getting involved in renovation lending?
There's a couple of things you could do immediately to engage or involve yourself with renovation financing. All three of the products, the agency products available today, are for both purchase and refinance transactions. So even though rate and term refinance probably correctly will be, adjust itself down this year, there's still an opportunity for cash out refinancing. And the vast majority of the proceeds utilized by borrowers obtaining cash out refinances are for home improvement projects. Renovation financing would allow that refinance to use the after improved value if they want to add a bedroom or add a second story or a second master suite. 18% of the population, 57 million Americans today, live in multi-generational family households. Children caring for parents and parents moving in with children. These products allow for the expansion of footprints and foundations, full structural alterations and changes. Previous clients that love the location they live in, they've outgrown the home. This is an opportunity to take advantage of an ad campaign that we call Don't Move, Improve. So you love where you live, you don't love the house you're living in. All the personal adjustments and changes to these homes you can make with one simple first mortgage using renovation financing.
Fantastic. So listen, I think most people look at renovation lending as for purchase. I mean, it's something that we know we can talk to the real estate agents and find, the properties that need a little bit of love before people can move in there. Where can we find, the refi renovation lending opportunities?
Well, previous clients would be the first place I would start. If you're a loan officer and you've had a previous client that's contacted you because their financial circumstances have changed and now they wish they had bought the home with the pool, or they're thinking about adding a second story, they've got more children in the house now, that's the first place to start. Don't Move, Improve. Using Fannie Mae home style renovation lending guidelines, it allows for luxury items.
Yeah.
So swimming pools, outdoor kitchens, bathrooms, fire pits, steam rooms, sauna, anything permanently affixed to the property that adds value is eligible within the scope of work on a Fannie Home style renovation loan. So there's a tremendous opportunity just to go back to clients you've closed loans for in the last 3 to 5 years and have an opportunity to create a renovation refinance loan.
That's fantastic. Brad, thank you so much for taking the time out of the day to meet with us.
Pleasure. Thanks for your commitment to the industry. Appreciate it.
Much obliged. I'm Andrew Berman with the Mortgage News Network. Thank you for watching.
This is Mortgage News Network.